In Peru, Illinois, I showed you the West Clocks Museum, clocks and watches. A major production factory there at north central Illinois town. Now we are in Waterloo, Iowa. Walk with me, Steve Martin. And you will see the John Deere Tractor Museum. At one time when I lived here in high school, 30,000 people employed. My brother Tom worked there. My dad wanted to, but that never happened. But there were plenty of good jobs here in Waterloo, Iowa. Northeast Iowa. Waterloo boy, 1918. The green and yellow, recognizable in any field. Corn, soybeans. These things cost big bucks. I'm not familiar with the gray ones here. They could have been used during the war, World War II. Blue one, bluish gray, that's different. Most people nowadays know John Deere as the lawnmower. You'll see those. Aha, speaking of which, there is one. Look at that monster. Man. All right, I'll let you go. Shalom.